Welcome to the weather broadcast for Thursday, the 9th of October 2025. From our studios in Jimmy, I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. As we take a look at our surface analysis here, we are focusing on Tropical Storm Jerry, which is just about 150 miles to the east, or directly east of Dominica this time. We also have a tropical wave out in the Atlantic, which we will be monitoring as well. However, our focus remains Tropical Storm Jerry, presently approaching the northern section of the Leeward Islands. So here we have the projection. We have Tropical Storm Jerry here at 11 a.m. We have the location at 15.9 degrees north and 59.1 degrees west, and that is about 150 miles approximately, and that is exactly to the east of Dominica here, with Dominica in that red circle. Some of the islands to the north are under a tropical storm watch at this time. So we can see here also the potential or the probability of tropical storm force winds or sustained tropical storm force winds, and we have Dominica here in the red circle, and the potential or the probability for tropical storm force winds is between 5 to 20%. So that's very low, and as a result, Dominica is not under tropical storm watch at this time. Now taking a look at the moisture, here we can see the flow of moisture associated with that tropical storm here with Dominica in the red circle here. You can see an increase in moisture levels in purple as this system continues to move in a west-northwesterly direction towards the area of the northern Leeward Islands. Now taking a look at satellite imagery, here we can see the activity, which include thunderstorm activity with some blobs of thunderstorm cells here. You can see the thunderstorm activity or lightning within that system here. That's Tropical Storm Jerry as it continues to move in a west-northwesterly direction, approaching the area of the northern Leeward Islands with Dominica here. Now taking a look at earlier radar imagery, what you can see, a few bands of showers ahead of that system, Tropical Storm Jerry, which moved across the area during this morning. And also here we can see an area of moderate to heavy showers within Tropical Storm Jerry, which is potentially a threat to Dominica at this time as it continues to move in a west-northwesterly direction. Now tonight's weather is expected to be increasingly cloudy with scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms, and shower activity could be heavy or moderate to heavy at times, and as a result, a flood watch is in effect as of 2 p.m. today and until 12 noon tomorrow, Friday. So we're expecting winds also to be coming from the southwest at about 35 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. So we are in fact expecting some gusty winds during the passage of that system. Now tomorrow's conditions expected to be cloudy to overcast with scattered showers which could be moderate to heavy at times, and isolated thunderstorms, and also winds expected to come from the southeast at about 35 kilometers per hour with higher gusts, and sea conditions expected to be up to 3.5 meters, and as a result, a small craft warning and a high surf advisory is in effect. So we are advising all sea users to exercise caution. Sea bathers also advised to stay out of the water. However, by Sunday or by afternoon or Saturday, we expect to see a gradual drying out of the atmosphere into Sunday. We expect to see an increase in shower activity being maintained during the morning of Saturday, with conditions being cloudy with scattered showers and a chance of isolated thunderstorms during Saturday morning, with a gradual drying out of the atmosphere expected by afternoon. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:56 a.m. and sunset will be at 5:48 p.m. High tide tomorrow will be at 7:04 a.m. and 6:15 p.m. and low tide will be at 12:36 a.m. and 11:52 p.m. Again, stay informed, stay safe. Scan our QR code here. Follow us on our WhatsApp channel. Also search Dominica Met to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and visit our website at www.weather.gov.dm. Remember, our focus is on potentially heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and rough seas associated with Tropical Storm Jerry. So we're advising that all the necessary precautions are taken to protect life and property. See you next time.